Hello everyone, this is Peter Holdman. We're here today with another Tip Tuesday. Today I'm going to look at overcoming some of the limits that are built in on adjustments in Capture One. Phase 1, when they designed Capture One, put some limits on stuff to keep it within what they think are reasonable limits, and for the most part they're right, but sometimes you want to either you need a little bit more shadow or highlight recovery, or in this case I'm going to take this picture of the Chicago skyline and try and make it kind of an illustration, really crunchy look. And I can crank the sharpening up and really crank the clarity up and get most of the way there. But if we wanted to go a little bit beyond that, I can go over into my layers. Now I'm using Capture 111. I can hit right click on the add new layer and add a new filled layer. So basically it's the entire layer is masked. If we go in and always display mask, you'll see it's covering the entire image already. That can also be very useful if you're trying to adjust everything but a small area, add a filled layer, and then erase around it. Now that I have that new layer there, I can go in and add even more clarity to it and get that really crunchy, overdone, overprocessed look. Not necessarily one I like for everything, but it's what I wanted to go for in this image. So if you ever need to go beyond the adjustments that Capture One allows you to, anything that is available in layers, you can add another layer and keep adding to the effect. So, in fact, we could add another one in here. We are going to hit a point where you don't really see it change in it, but by the time you've got those out, you can see there's a lot of clarity, a lot of crunch added into that image. So if you're looking for something like that, or maybe if you've had to bring up the overall exposure in an image and need to bring the highlights back down more than what the normal highlight tool allows you to, this will give you the option to do that. So hope that's helpful. If you like this, please take a moment to like the video and subscribe to my channel for more tips, tricks, and editing examples. Thanks and have a great day.